Hello, my name is Andrés Monroy-Fernandez, and I'm a researcher at the MIT Media Lab. I am part of a group called the Lifelong Kindergarten Group, and what we do in the group is we develop tools that allow people to learn in a creative way by designing and inventing personally meaningful ideas and objects. Specifically, right now we are involved in a project called Scratch. Scratch is a programming environment for children that allows them to create interactive media and publish it on the web. We are really interested in the Web 2.0 because we think it's offering new opportunities for education and learning. About a year ago, I think Tim Berners-Lee, one of the creators of the web, he was asked what he thought about the Web 1.0 being about connecting computers and the Web 2.0 about connecting people. And he replied saying that the web was always about connecting people, and that he thought that the Web 2.0 was basically just a buzzword or jargon. I think I really agree with him in the sense that technology is in fact very similar to the way it was before, but I think that we are seeing actually a dramatic change in the way this technology is being used, and it goes beyond a technological change, and it's more of a cultural change. In fact, some academics like Henry Jenkins, for example, he talks about what he calls the convergence culture. And in convergence culture, one of the aspects of this is people actually switching the roles or changing the roles of who is a producer and who is a consumer. And I think that this has very direct implications in learning and education. We are now seeing that information is more and more available to anyone through the web, the research engines, but not often education encourages people to be creative. When people think about technology and education, people think about a teacher or a computer delivering information, and we think that we have to go beyond that model and use technology as a tool for creation and invention. Our economies and our society is moving from a society of information to a society of creativity. And I think that these skills and these activities are not only important for the economy, but are also very important for people's perception of their own environment and of themselves. And I think that it is the responsibility of policymakers, academics, and industry to engage people in these activities and to make everyone an active participant in the culture and the society as a whole. I think it is particularly important in education to look at these models and to look at these technologies and to try to use the online communities and for user-generated content as a platform for bringing learning experiences that are not often common in the formal educational settings. We have been using Scratch for the past months and years, and we have seen that, for example, in the Scratch online community, thousands of people, kids from all over the world, are creating thousands of projects. We have now 29,000 projects, and we see a wide diversity of ideas and projects, and we are seeing a lack of convergence or match between these tools and the formal learning environments. So I think for the forum, I will focus on thinking about how policymakers can help educators and technologists in bringing these ideas together to make a change in the way technology and education work together. I think in the future we are going to see more of this happening, and one of the goals should be also to bring these technologies and the access to these channels of communications to everyone, not only to the people with most resources. So I'm really excited about going to this forum, and I hope we can get to discuss these ideas and try to change the way government, academics, and industry are working together towards improvement in education.